Welcome back to part 2 of our AI for Beginners series. In this session, we'll take a deeper dive into key AI concepts, machine learning, neural networks, and AI ethics. Let's get started. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from experience, instead of being explicitly programmed for every task. ML models use data to improve their accuracy. Common applications include spam filters, recommendation systems, and fraud detection. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning involves labeled data, where the model learns from example inputs and outputs. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns in data without labels. Reinforcement learning trains models by rewarding them for correct actions and penalizing incorrect ones. Neural networks are the backbone of deep learning. They mimic the structure of the human brain to process information. Deep learning, which uses multiple layers of neural networks, powers applications like image recognition, speech processing, and self-driving cars. As AI continues to grow, ethical considerations become more important. Bias in AI can lead to unfair or discriminatory results, affecting decisions in hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Transparency and accountability are essential for developing ethical AI systems that promote fairness and inclusivity. The future of AI includes explainable AI, XAI, which helps humans understand AI decision-making. AI is also enhancing creativity in art, music, and design. In workplaces, AI will work alongside humans to improve efficiency and innovation. That concludes part 2 of our AI for Beginners series. We've explored machine learning, neural networks, AI ethics, and future trends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next episode.